Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. Today I am going to show you how to crop images to shape in MS Word. So let's get started. First, let's place the image which we want to crop. To place image, we have to go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures and select the file which you want to choose. So let's crop this. To crop it to a shape, you have to go to this Format tab and then click on this small down arrow here, and then we have to click on Crop to Shape, and we can choose the oval shape for this one. But this is not acceptable. So let's crop it to a square first and then crop it to a shape. So let's undo this for now. Okay, so first again we have to go to this Format tab and then click on this crop option, and then we will crop it to a square. This is okay. So let's now crop it to a shape. Select this. Now let's go to the Format tab again and click on this option and crop to shape. And now let's try this out. And now this image is acceptable, and you can see that this is a circle, almost a circle, and that's how you can do it. Hope you understood this video. Thanks for watching.